Yo, 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 what is up? This is Josh from American Day of Dumpsters and my boy, my brother, from another mother, my brother-in-law, my homie, what's his name?
Albert.
Oh, shit. Here we are at our favorite store this year, apparently, Home Depot. I've been here about, I don't know, how many times have we been here this week?
20 times, about, for sure.
At least 20, right?
At least 20.
At least 20 times. And we're walking in the parking lot and getting crazy-ass looks because we're recording ourselves. But who gives a crap, right? Who gives two shits, right? Check out the back of my... What's my shirt say? What's my shirt say? Hold on. Can we record my back? I can't do that. What's my shirt say? It says I give 0 F's given. Alright, so we're going to go buy some stuff. And then we're going to take you guys with us to... we got lots of dumpsters to do today. And then we also have to do the final walkthrough of the Palmer house. So you guys are going to go with us for this final walkthrough. Albert here has been putting in a ton of hours at the Palmer house this last week with me, right?
Right.
Came all the way from Wisconsin again. We're getting some crazy looks. We'll see you in a minute. Well, I just tried to record for you guys this pickup. I'm literally pulling out of this house right now. But the customer, as you can see, they were right there kind of watching. So her and her husband, they filled it perfectly, a 15-yard. They filled it great. No overage at all over the rim. So quick pickup. And now we're going to go to the landfill, dump it, and drop it off at the office. Don't have another one for it to go to right now. Things are a little bit slow. I've got 2 sitting at the shop already. And I'm going to have 2 more by the end of the day, unless somebody calls. I get a lot of last minute stuff, so we'll see. And we are pulling up to the landfill now. We'll see what kind of line we got going on today. Kind of like coming to this landfill. It's a little bit closer to me. However, normally they're a lot more expensive. But yeah, there's almost never really a really long line, and if there is, they go really fast. They don't play. Very well organized. Usually pretty clean, so pretty rare that I get a nail in a tire here, even though it's an outdoor landfill. So I don't think I'm hauling very much. I would say it's probably going to be about 1.5 tons, but hard to tell. We'll find out here in a little bit. Like not even a ton, so we're at 0.99 tons. So yeah, about to go dump this one out. So you got the roads pretty clear. You got the big commercial trucks. There really not very many dump trailers here. Definitely I hardly ever see any hand unloaders here. So those guys don't take up the time. So it's a really kind of a in and out quickly kind of thing. Their bulldozers are assigned several different lanes. So you dump, the bulldozer comes, it takes care of that lane really quickly. Looks like this guy lost something and dropped something. Bulldozer comes, takes care of the lane pretty quickly, and on to the next truck. So it's a real quick operation here. What's going on here? Looks like they got a race to the hill. What's this guy doing? I just want to drive one of these things one day. Let me drive one of these big old earth movers just one day. That's all I want. Anybody watching that can make that happen, let me know. I'll do it for free. But look, I mean, there's hardly anybody here. They got 2 sections to dump. This section and then the main section, which is a little bit further up. Sometimes they let you in this area, sometimes they don't. I don't really know what the process is, but I love dumping here. Let's go ahead and dump this 15-yard and move on to the next one. right, so it's 103 out. So I'm gonna make this outside video super quick, and let's take you in the inside to kind of show you what we've done so far. And this is our final video. So this house has officially hit the market today. So if anybody is interested in the house, it is July 26th. I hope it won't go past this weekend. I'm hoping for, well, I think everybody hopes for multiple offers, right? So we will see. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1 office, which could be converted to a 4th bedroom, and a laundry room, kitchen, or obviously a laundry room, mud room, I should say. 2,100 square feet, double lot, sits on a little bit more than a 1/4 acre. Single family home. Lots of transferable warranties, like the AC has a 5-year transferable warranty, new water heater, new appliances. What else? Everything. We've done a lot of stuff to this, so let's kind of show you around. So first off, you're gonna see this beautiful wraparound porch. We decided to tint the windows. It is a 1905, guys. This house is a 1905 build, so it is going to be old. It's got some charm to it. It's got, you know, it's a pier and beam, so you can definitely feel the floor is not as solid as a concrete home or something like that. It's got charm. It's got plenty of history, and yeah, it's got a little bit of draft. I'm not gonna lie. So new AC. We put a new AC, so we decided to go ahead and tint the windows. Ceramic coating, residential window tint from a local company here who did a great job. Corner lot in the city of Palmer. So let's go inside and check it out. All right, so first of all, before we go inside, check out how cute is this. First of all, you get a nice little seating area. Come out here, drink your morning coffee or whatever. We're right on the corner lot. Downtown is right over here. Basically, you can kind of see the little gazebo where they usually have like farmers markets and all kinds of stuff. But a beautiful corner lot. Awesome neighbors. Sunsets on that side, and sun rises over on that side. So let's check out this beautiful, charming, look at that nice little house. So we got the little Texas star on the door. You walk in, you immediately got that little hallway there. Front bedroom again. All the rooms have ceiling fans, tinted windows, nice little sitting area. You got your second bedroom right here. Nice, big, open, bright. Then you've got your master bedroom over here. Huge master bedroom with an awesome master bath. Check out this master bath right here. Thing is gorgeous. So let's talk about the countertops. We did quartz countertops all the way around, master and in the kitchen. Luxury vinyl plank flooring all the way through. Some good carpet in the bedrooms. This one has a nice little fireplace, faux fireplace, I guess you can say. Entry closet right there. All right, you've got your living room. Gorgeous living room, fireplace. Ceiling fans again. Can lighting, and the wow factor, you've got this beautiful kitchen. This kitchen again is quartz countertops, okay? New appliances, single piece quartz countertop right here. Look at that black sink. It is absolutely gorgeous. You've got a pot filler that you can turn off as well. And then you've got your hand sprayer as well. Beautiful sink. Nice faucet. Again, dishwasher, stove, microwave. Got to provide your own fridge, y'all. But other than that, this center island. It's a 5-foot center island. You got Albert outside there. Look at a nice barn door. Decided to make the second bath much bigger than what it originally was. We've got the glass coming. There's a shortage in glass right now, apparently. About a 2 to 3 week wait on the glass. Again, quartz countertops over here. And this beautiful mirror. Touchscreen mirror. And it's got this anti-fog. Super nice. Again, with the tinted windows. Oversized stand-up shower. And again, your cool barn door. Almost died there. Got your nice barn door. Got some tools here we're taking with us. This is the office slash fourth bedroom, if you want to convert it to that. This is your laundry room. And yeah, that is the house. Let's go outside and check out the little deck that we built. So if you guys remember, this was my creepy crawler room. This was the room I had the most headaches with. Say hi, Albert. Albert.
How's it going, guys?
What's up, y'all? Albert's in here. So this was the room that really gave me the most headache and nightmares. I wasn't sure what to do with it, and we decided to just tear it all down. We made a nice little storage room in here where Albert's at. You got the water heater over there, brand new water heater. And again, some little storage in there. I won't take you in there because it's nothing fancy or nothing special. We did bring in some dirt to fill in the hole that the creepy crawler room left. And we made a nice little deck. So again, brand new AC unit, nice deck, carport for two-car carport, a little sitting area for like a barbecue or whatnot. And that is what we've done with this house. Again, it did go on the market today. Look at that. That is super nice. Kitchen and bathroom sell. So we did sink a lot of money into this kitchen. Mind you, anybody that knows anything about countertops knows that there's usually a split right here, right? No, we did not do that. We did 2 full slabs of quartz. We did not have to cut this and piece this together. It is literally one major slab right here. Did pay a little upgrade on that. And the stager came in, or the realtor came in and staged a little bit. So got some little fancy little things here. That is all, y'all. That is all. I will break down numbers in another video once hopefully this thing sells, and kind of go through the whole flip and why I flipped instead of did a BRRRR. There's still a possibility of doing the BRRRR. However, I decided to try and sell it first. We will see. Give it a couple weeks if it sells. If it doesn't, then I might just do a cash out refi and rent her out, which I'm okay with that as well. So that's all, guys. That's gonna be my video for today. Make sure you guys give me a like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. This one was a nice long video that was highly awaited. A lot of people wanted to see what the end result was of my first real major flip. And as you can see, if you go back to my videos, there's been some major changes to this house. So make sure you like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. We are already working on this next one. Well, I should say we're working on closing the next one. Hopefully we'll be closing on the next one this week. And as soon as we can get through walkthrough, I will do my first video of the next rent property. We'll see you guys on the next one.